Now that the resin has fully cured, it is ready to remove the drips from the underside of the board. Gently heat the resin drips on the tape edge with a heat gun, avoiding the sides of the board. Now carefully pull away the masking tape to remove most or all of the resin drips. Now place your board on a clean, smooth surface. I use a sheet of cardboard. First use an 80 grit sandpaper to remove the pigment runs and marks. Then use a 240 grit sandpaper to finish the surface of the board. Now on both sides of the board I rub into the wood surface a food safe 100% natural liquid beeswax. The natural beeswax protects the wood and brings out the beautiful grain. Now place a piece of craft rope through the hole and tie it in a knot. You may need to re-drill the hole. Now you can enjoy using your beautiful 3D ocean resin serving board.